Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to share with you my free calendar and task manager template. This is a template that's free to download from my website. I'll leave a link in the description for this video. And this is basically how it looks. So you can change things like the image over here. If you want to use a different image, you can right click, change picture. You can select a picture from your device, from stock images, wherever the case may be. And you can also obviously resize this to make it larger or smaller, however you want it to fit and scale on your page. I've already set up this template so that it prints out to one page. And so the way that it's set up now is just a matter of your own personal preference. I've left some white space over here to jot down any notes that you want to put after you've printed out the calendar. And here we've got a list of obviously the dates for the month, but we've also got any sort of tasks that you enter in. So if I go on the inputs tab over here, I can select any sort of important dates that I want to track. So these can be set into the future. They don't have to be for the current month, but they will only show the dates for this month. So the benefit of this is you can set up reoccurring tasks in the future, bills, whatever the case may be. And so then when you change it, so for example, if I change this from January to say February, if I go back to the calendar tab, it's not going to show anything except for I've got January 30 from the previous month, but anything for February is only going to show here. So I'm not going to see everything, so I don't have to worry about populating the dates every single time for the current month. I can just have all my important dates that I want to track for the year or for however long in advance I want to, and then they'll populate on here as well. Another option that you can select is right now I've got it so the week starts on a Monday, but back on the inputs tab, we can change this so it starts on a Sunday instead. Go back on here and you can see it adjusts accordingly. So now we've got Sunday at the start all the way through until Saturday. So depending on which way you want to view your calendar, you can set it up accordingly and then print it out based on those settings. Now, as far as printing out this calendar, you can see that it's set up right now so that it fits onto one page really easily. If you run into any issues, you may just want to check the margins on your printer. Right now, I've set all the margins to 0 to help maximize the space on here, so it's limiting the amount of white space. So if you do come across an issue where it's not printing out exactly to one page, just make sure you check your settings and set your margins to 0, or depending on your printer settings, you may want to adjust them based on what works for you. But as you can see, we fit the image in here, got all the dates, got the name of the month and year. So it's a really easy printout that you can use and adjust accordingly. So rather than printing out a whole 12 months at once, you can do the specific month that you're on, and it'll pull in all your deadlines and tasks that you want to track for that specific month. So if you like this video and if you like this template, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.